Hello YouTube family, a very good afternoon from Stoke-on-Trent. I've just arrived home and I'm just about to go inside the house, and my wife told me she's cooking something special for me, but let's find out what's going on in the kitchen, you know. So I just arrived and I'm just going inside and find out what's happening. Let's find out what's happening in the kitchen So YouTube family, my wife, I just found her cooking something delicious. It smells delicious as you enter from the door. Can I ask you what you're cooking? Are you gonna say hello to YouTube family first?
Hi YouTube family, hope you're all well.
Yeah, I think they're all well. Something smells very Zambian fishy here. It smells like dry fish.
Yep.
Am I correct? Ah, there we go. Look at that.
Zambian fish.
Some dry tilapia. What you call it? Letapi. Oh, that smells very nice and very appetizing. And what do you have here?
Here I've got some beans.
Some beans. Wow.
Some white beans.
Oh, that looks very, very, very delicious. And then here,
I've got
chicken wings and
with some okra.
oh, mixed with okra.
Okra.
Oh, doing it in the Nigerian way. Oh, that's fine.
The ones who don't eat fish can have that.
And then I can see the delele, the slimy one coming up there.
Yeah.
So guys, I think my wife has just surprised me. I just come home and she's cooking me a meal. Look at this. And this is spinach. Look at that. So that spinach will go together today, cooked with nshima as usual, because you see that dry fish over there, the dry tilapia, it's very nice. It goes with nshima, and I tell you, including the beans over there and the delele. Oh, I'll show you in a minute once we set the table. But I need to. What's happening on the table here? You can see I'm doing some artwork here today. Since yesterday, I've been doing some artwork. So I'm just doing some abstract painting over here. But I have Simba there. Simba is looking on what we're doing in this kitchen. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna help my wife now to just cook this nshima because it's a big pot, and so I've got my milli-meal here. So I'm gonna add in some milli-meal and then get the nshima going. So that's 1, 2. So it's been simmering. I put 3, and then let's see what texture I'm going to get from this. So I'm going to get this ready and set up the table. Stay tuned, don't go away. So you see guys, this is how you do the pap. You ponder it, you know, until it's got a nice beautiful texture like what's happening here, and then you're ready. So there you go, the nshima is now ready. The spinach is all nice and cooked. The delele, the okra is nice and ready, and we got some import from the other day. Look at that. We got the chickens already, the chicken wings, the fish, dry fish, and then we got the beans. Now it's time to eat. So I'm gonna dish up some of this fish. That's the dry fish. Oh, look at that. A bit of that soup there. And some beans over here. Oops. Put on the side, okay. A bit of some spinach. Right, and a bit of impua. And 1 lump of nshima. And it's time to eat now. So guys, this is it. It's lunchtime now. So sorry once again if I've made you salivate, but it's time to have a traditional food from Zambia. And I don't know what you're having for lunch, but I'm having nshima, dry fish, spinach, some okra, gelele, and some chicken and beans and impua. So thank you for tuning in today, and I really appreciate you. If you're thinking of subscribing, don't hesitate, just press that button and then you will get notifications once you press the bell icon for the latest videos. God bless you, and it's Adios amigos. I will see you in the next video. Bye.